Alexis. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you all how I wash my lace frontal wigs. I've been getting the question a lot how to clean your lace when you use the Got2b freeze spray. So I'm going to show you all how I clean that residue off of my lace, how I fully wash my wigs, and then I'm going to reinstall it for you guys on camera so you can see the ending result. So I do hope you all enjoy this video. Give me a big old thumbs up if you do enjoy this video. Definitely hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to turn on your notifications, okay? Hit that notification bell. So I'm gonna go ahead on and get the wig and show you guys what we are working with today. So this is the wig that I'm going to be cleaning and washing today. This is the wig that I wore previously in my last video, which was that top knot bun video that I did. If you didn't see it or catch it, I'll link it down below for you guys. This hair is from Klaiyi hair. They sent me out their Brazilian body wave, and I have 4 bundles, 24, 24, 26, 26, and then I have a matching 20-inch lace frontal. I'm gonna show you guys up close the residue that is on my lace from the Got2b freeze spray. So this is what my frontal is looking like on the inside, okay? This is how it looks on the top, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up to get this cleaned and washed, and I will see you guys in the next clips. Okay, y'all, so here I'm just taking some water, spraying the frontal down. Next, I'm taking this ISO Plus neutralizing shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to spread it throughout the frontal, especially that hairline part, and I am going to massage it into the frontal. This shampoo, it helps remove product buildup, so I'm gently working it throughout the frontal. Then I'm gonna take this sponge and I'm gonna wet it, and I'm gonna use it to help me continue to get rid of the residue that is on the frontal.
Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies, but my phone be blowing up temptation.
I'm now taking some more of the ISO Plus shampoo. I'm spreading it on top of the frontal hairline. I'm gently working this into the hairline again to get rid of the residue that was on top as well. And I'm doing this gently. I'm not going to use a sponge this time because I don't want to get rid of any hairs. I mean, of course, you're going to lose some of the hairs in the front over time, but I'm trying to preserve the frontal as much as possible, so I just use my hand to gently clean the top. Okay, so here I am just washing away the ISO Plus shampoo that I used to clean the frontal. I am washing that out. And then I take this Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner and I put it throughout the hair. And this is what I use to condition the hair. Me personally, I am not a big fan of shampooing my hair because that strips your hair and causes your hair to be dry. So the key is to keep your hair as moisturized as possible. The only time I'm using shampoo is if I'm really trying to get rid of product buildup. Like if I use a lot of products on my hair, which I rarely do. That's the only time you're going to catch me using shampoo throughout the hair.
Me or retweet the CD be skipping cause she want a CD for retweet a mention. I'm working ages about the way that we need the pension.
She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies, but my phone be blowing up temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline, but she plants the seed and it still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying, but I'm only human, I know love ain't losing time. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time.
Back in my mind, back in my mind.
Okay, and then here I'm just gonna brush off the hair to make sure there is no tangles in the hair. Back in my mind is you. 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 And around the frontal area, I gently take it and brush the hairs back. I like my hair to dry going back because that's how I like to style my hair anyway. So I just take the hairs on the frontal and just brush them all back. Alright y'all, so I am back. Here is my unit freshly washed. I'll show you guys the inside. Alright, as y'all can see, there is no more residue on my lace. So that is how I do it. If you have a lot more residue or product buildup on your wig, you can go in with alcohol first to get rid of majority of it or some of it, and then go in with the shampoo that I use. Or for example, if you go in and wash your wig and you still see some residue, you can go in with alcohol and wipe it away. But 9 times out of 10, I never had to do that because I don't really have too much buildup on my wigs. So now I'm just going to let this air dry. I'm just gonna hang it up and let it air dry, hanging like this. And then I will be ready to install it once it's fully dried. So I do hope that this was helpful. Of course, if you guys have any questions about the process, you can leave them down below and I will answer them for you all.
Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline. But she plants to see me, still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying. But I'm only human, I know love ain't a crime. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time.
Catching feelings in here, you see what cuffin' do. It be the same nigga begging girls to hang with some things ain't never gonna change. At every clock I got been broken. Let your pulse and slowly drip, cause tomorrow's never promised and yesterday don't exist. Or maybe like I got me sucking up for 3 months. She touching up the beaker, mixing up the chemicals and dusting up the beaker. Fucking up when I turn up, I'm blocking up the blinker. To get him up in my neck and us is nothing else to link up. Cause she need attention, he need the bench when they keep me or retweet the CD be skipping. Cause she want a ski for retweet a mention. I'm working aces about the wager, we need the pension.
She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline. But she plants to see me, still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying. But I'm only human, I know love ain't a crime. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time.
Back in my mind is you. 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 Back in my mind is you.
for good and don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline. But she plants a seed and it still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying. But I'm only human, I know love ain't the kind. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do it